because you, the fans, have asked.
And we, the people of which whom you are fans of, responded.
We now present to you a brand new montage.
The best of Dank and Dabby Coughing, Volume 4. Oh my
This is one of my favorite pieces. It represents the Swahili tribe, I think, and I found it from a man at Washington State. Come on, Dad.
Should I call 911?
Come on, Dad. I'm trying to do important stuff here. Oh, shit, that's cool.
911, yes, this is emergency 911.
Oh, fine.
Well, clearly they're very talented.